yung rating natin? Audience impact from 1 to 5. So number 1, the baby Naruto.
That's the one from Final Fantasy.
It became clearer after naging dalawa na lang yung contestants natin. Okay. So then yung baby parang umiyak siya. Natakot. Wait muna before mag-alis yung baby. Pa-picture tayo!
Picture kami with the baby.
Dalawang finalist.
Wait na, si River nawawala. River.
Yay! Oh, bilang na ito. Yawa. Pictures, pictures. Okay, so we have a winner. Thank you. Wait, teka, tumalis na. Interview tayo, di ba? Teka, may prize tayo sa baby Naruto. Sa baby Naruto, ba't umalis na? Ren, makikita niyo yung prize. Punta na muna dito, baby Naruto. Meron pa tayong bigay na prize. Second sa walking cosplayers. There! We have a soft toy for the baby boy! Yun! Yun! Thank you sa pag-cosplay! Okay, so now we have the winner! There! The winner! Before we give the prize, mag-interview muna tayo. Ma'am, anong name nyo? Ma'am or sir, anong name nyo? Zell, is that a girl's name or a boy's name? Ako na bahala, ma'am. Ma'am or sir, yan pwede. Ano? Babae, okay. You're cosplaying? A guy, kaya pala. Gusto ko lang yung weapon niya. Gano'n mo katagal ginawa?
Actually, I have to thank my friend Kevin Alcoa.
Ooh, they're the crafter of the sword. Ano materials na ginamit?
Rubber scrap foam, rubber sheet, and wood.
Okay. So there, we have our winner for the walk-in cosplayer. Ito yung prize mo, ma'am. Ito ba ito? Yeah.
Ang tawag naman na ginagawa ni Mamsel is crossplay.
Yes. This is called the crossplay.
Even though you're a girl, your gender's a girl, then you cosplay as a guy. Crossplay ka, and vice versa.
Yes. So that's why a girl is cosplaying guys in guys clothes, and there are also girls cosplaying in Guys cosplay in girls clothes. So there we have our walk-in cosplayers. Thank you sa mga walk-in
Thank
cosplayers.
you for walking across
So now is
Now, details about March.
details about Torch, the sixth leg, and the journey to cosplay Mania.
Again, this is cosplay tournament of champions, SM Damang finalist. The court has gone through Metro Manila, Cagayan de Oro, Baguio, Pampanga, Cebu, and now in Davao.